Hello everyone. We are here. We are here to solve the problem. The problem is that we want to change every function we have to the function. Let's see how we can do this. We change the first one. Now the second one. We just copy that and paste here. View names. View names. It's good. Now we go here to write our code. Okay, it pastes in the worst way, but let's def our view names and then paste everything here. We just need to, okay, let's see what we should give it. We should give it our dictionary just, and then it's done the work. Let's run it. And here we just put our dictionary here. Now let's enter our function. For example, add a student. 1 Sarah R29, and we just view names. You see the names have been cleared. Now we need to create another function for that. For what? For seeing full list, no. Adding a student, no. View name is okay. We need to create here view grades and dictionary. We gave it, we here just paste that. Okay, we call it def view grades. It's really easy to do something, and I don't know why whenever I'm doing the projects I just too addicted to the project that forget I'm creating a content. It's like more I am learning than you. Okay, now we create our view grades too. Now let's create our view grades, change then the name. Let's create it. We just copy that, paste it here. Okay, let's create our function here, change name, give it dictionary. Now here let's say def change name dict. Now paste it. And we need to return a dictionary here. Why? Because we need to save our new dictionary. Return dictionary. Now here we add a student. We need to save our dictionary to here. And here change name. We just put dictionary here. Let's run it and see how it's work. Before that we need to run this slide, this cell. Okay, run it. Let's call add a student 3 Sarah 90 Mikawa 45 Medusa 86. Now we call view names. Okay, it's crashed. Why? Dict is not defined. We put a S here that crash our program. Let's run it again. Add student 3. Oh, sorry, I do something really wrong here. Okay. 3, Amber, Sheldon, Mia. Oh, sorry, I do something really wrong, but it's okay. Please enter your function. Our next function is view names. Okay, it gave us the names easily here. And when we say view grades, it also gave us the grades, and we can change the name. Okay, change name. What is the problem again? Change name is not change names. It's just that, and it's fixed. I think it's fixed. Change name. Okay, this is it for this lesson. But don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments, and like and subscribe. Have a nice time.